Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A very good evening to you all. I hope you're all well at home. Here we go then, we are back with the next close-up coins game. But first of all, we saw some little night lights there. I thought they were quite nice. Took a video of them. Just getting them ready for a little late night video. Perfect time to get them in. So as you all know, close-up coins, you're going to see 10 pictures, 10 close-ups of commemorative coins. This one is a little bit of a difficult category. It could be any coin from UK circulation, and there's also a couple of coins as well that are territory coins. One of the coins was never actually released for circulation, but the other version of the coin was, and I'm sure you'll be able to work them out for yourselves. Anyway, I was a little bit mean with the last close-up coin, so I'm going to make this one a little bit easier. Again, 10 to guess. We were just going to do 5 on the weekend, but the weather has been awful, so hopefully a little bit of something for you to do over the course of the wet and windy weekend. Get your guesses in the comment section below, and we'll check back through all of them on Monday afternoon. Have a great weekend, everyone. I will leave the coins again on repeat, just so I'm not talking in the background, so you can concentrate. And don't forget to get those coin albums out if you do get a little bit stuck. Stay safe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.